Hi everyone, so today I want to share with you my first experience with art, drawing to be specific. So this will be a one take and freestyle with no script. So I hope I can deliver my point without stumble my word too much. Yeah, so ever since I was a little, and I have a chance to hold on a pencil or crayon, I want to express my idea and my imagination to the world. So I draw all over the place, like on the wall, on the table, the desk, or on the floor. And how about paper and create a masterpiece? Yeah, the reason I call that a masterpiece because my teacher and my parent used to praise me on that, but I know that back in their head they are just thinking this is just a waste of paper. But can you blame me? I just love drawing. But they also get me in trouble sometimes. I remember this story. One day I visit my grandmother's house and I got a pen like this and I hold it and I fell asleep on my uncle's couch. And when I wake up and open my eye, I realized that it's a mess. It's a catastrophe. Is that somehow this pen, the inches all over the couch, I draw all over the sofa. That my uncle is my mother's younger brother, that I ruined his sofa, that he worked so hard just for it for months and months, and somehow I just ruined it with just in a few hours. And then he returned that and he see that, and I just sneaky inside and look at him, and he yelled at me and he chased me around the house. That I thought I was dead. That is just an experience that I can never forget, that like no others. That is art. License curve may be my life, but also almost ended me at some point. So yeah, that is pretty much it. So if you guys have a story of your first experience with art, please comment down below. That is for today's video. Hope you have a productive day and thank you for watching.